Welcome everybody to my little bit of paradise in Mallorca, which is my garden. So I'd just like to take you around and show you a few things I've got in the garden. Stars of my show is my beautiful amaryllis. These absolutely gorgeous flowers. These have all come from last year, and these are actually a present from our neighbour. Absolutely beautiful and making everybody feel happy. One of my favourite flowers are roses, and mine this year are absolutely amazing here. They've never been like this before, but look at those beautiful colours there. They don't actually smell, and next to them these lovely geraniums just add a little bit to the colour as well. Really nice over there, my roses. I've got some more later on to show you too. I've only recently got into lavender, and I'm really going to get some more. Look how beautiful this lavender is here. Spurred on by Adam, my son, who's got lots in his garden in Up my all, and by the fact that it encourages bees and all the lovely wildlife that we should be encouraging in the garden. So lavender is becoming one of my favourites as well. You might know I quite like my wine, so we have been to Jose. Well, we haven't actually been. We have been to Jose for we didn't get the barrel from here. This was a present from our son and Jamie, and here's my barrel here, which I've filled with corks.
Just a small sample of the corks that we end up with at the end of a week.
Day. Another of my favourites is this little bed I got here, which is full of Agapanthus, which actually were for our 25th wedding anniversary as a present from friends of ours. And as you can see, I'm always so excited when my first Agapanthus appear. I've only got 3 at the moment. I hope I get some more. Come on, Agapanthus, you need to start growing. Oh, I really like roses, and my mum and dad always used to have lots of roses in their garden in England. And here are some more roses here, beautiful colours. And again, some more here. Doing quite well. Some more buds coming there. Another great pride of mine is my lime tree here, which I had from the garden in Saparasa from my friend Esther, and never had this many little limes on it. We did move it from the top, and it seems to like its new position. And there's even a little snail in there, but I don't mind these snails. Lots and lots of little limes here ready for our whatever we have with lime. What do we have with lime? Gin and tonic. Several years ago we got back from our holiday in England to find that our son Adam had made this little herb bed for us, which I love as well. And we've got some rosemary, we've got lots of mint, it smells delicious. That's just crept in there to stop the cats coming on it. Some thyme, some coriander here, some parsley, and some curry leaves as well. And right in front of it I've planted some seeds, which I've covered over to stop the snails, or to, I don't know what's it for anyway, it says to do it. So I've got some nasturtiums, some forget-me-nots, and some sweet peas planted there. So talking about wildlife in the garden, here are my ladybirds. I don't mind some real ones coming along as well, if you want to. And my big collection here, which was first of all inspired by my son-in-law Nick, who bought me my first one, this big spider at the other end you'll see in a minute. So the children love coming to see all my collection on the wall here. This is pineapple, the rat. This was a present from Nick again. All the way along to the big spider at the end. Don't think I've got room for any more, but any more will be welcome. My bird of paradise here has been especially prolific this year, and here's one of the amazing flowers on it. They've been amazing, beautiful flowers growing on my bird of paradise plant, which is in desperate need of a repot. I've put in these 2 little pots here. We've got some wallflowers, I think this is called snapdragons, and here I think these are called Armoria maritima. Very beautiful little balls here, as Steve's just called them.
I wonder if any of you actually remember Bill and Ben. I'm not sure which one this is.
Bill.
Is this one Bill?
Or Ben.
Or Ben?
So this amazing passion flower started off as a cutting from my friend Sylvia, and it's prolific here. The flowers on it are absolutely gorgeous, attracting the wildlife as well. And it's hopefully going to be all along, this go all along the wall, isn't it? All along this fence here. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of my garden. I love my garden, I'm out here as much as I can, and hopefully more will grow in the summertime, and I'll show you some more things. Not often that I'm the star of the show as well. Thank you, and please subscribe.